Okay. Now that you are now in speaking test, I'll give you 10 minutes to answer these questions. I have 2 questions for you. Number 1 is about expression of like or dislike. And then number 2 is about expression polite ways to ask someone to do something. Are you ready now? Ready. Okay. If you don't understand, you can ask me to repeat it again. Okay. We try now. Number 1. Do you like drinking coffee in the morning?
No, I don't like coffee
Why do you dislike it?
because the coffee
Because the coffee
makes my stomach little bit uncomfortable.
Good. Do you like taking care of some pets?
No, I don't like pets
Why do you dislike it?
because I'm scared animal.
Do you like watching film?
Yes, I like
Why do you like it?
because watching film is fun.
Do you like shopping for some clothes?
Yes, I like shopping
Why do you like it?
because I feel happy. New clothes.
Do you like fishing?
No, I don't like fishing
Why do you dislike it?
because fishing is boring.
Okay. Number 2 is about expression polite ways to ask someone to do something. Number 2, ask the waiter for a glass of wine.
Excuse me, I want a glass of wine, please.
B, tell the shop assistant you want to see the black dress.
Excuse me, is there any black dress, please?
Thank you, Mananda. Say bye-bye.